I searched how to buy shares of FastPartner AB to show a practical step-by-step example. FastPartner AB is a Swedish commercial real estate firm listed on CBOEEU under the ticker FPARA.ST, and this walkthrough is educational, not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will have to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker FPARA.ST to find the listing. Select the FastPartner AB result to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart for recent performance. Make sure the page shows FastPartner AB and the ticker FPARA.ST to confirm the correct listing. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details including any fees and order type before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can complete. Once the trade is filled, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.